Good evening, everyone. We are live. We are live. We are live. This is Warren Thomas. Oh, good evening, everyone. This is Warren Thomas. How is everyone doing? We are live. We are live. I did not get a chance to send out a commercial indicating that we're going to be live this evening. So if anyone sees the notification, uh, and you've joined, wonderful. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming aboard and sharing with us this evening. Um, this live is an update, part of our weekly update in relationship to trading stocks. And also, I'm answering a question from one of our subscribers. And I'm also going to talk about what stocks are we actively looking at and what we may be buying this week. Also, we're going to talk about business credit, how to use business credit to purchase stocks. Well, this was a very interesting week. Amazon and Apple basically crushed earnings. Amazon now is over $1,000 per share. And Apple, with the launch of the iPhone XS, also crushed earnings and actually lifted the market towards the end of the week. Tech stocks were up based on the fact of Apple's stellar earnings. So it was a good week for tech stocks, and also it was a good week for the blockchain, aka cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular. Bitcoin hit a new high this week of 7,500. I think it actually got up to today, being Sunday the 5th. I think it actually got as high as 7,600. It's pulled back. It's in the 7,300 range. And those of you who have Bitcoin currently, you're doing well. Keep making that money. Bitcoin, we anticipate, will probably hit $10,000 per coin before the year is out. I would let you guys know that there may be a pullback in Bitcoin. And I was actually listening to a YouTuber who did a chart on Bitcoin over the last few years, and they showed that usually after hitting a major high, Bitcoin has a habit of pulling back at least 35 to 40%. It did that recently based on the news that the Chinese were basically closing all the various exchanges in China, and Bitcoin pulled back about 35%. So with this new high, and that was after a new high, with this new high, we anticipate that at some point Bitcoin will have a pullback, and just be prepared, you guys, newcomers to buying and selling Bitcoin and also trading stock. Sometimes there's nothing wrong with a pullback. It gives folks an opportunity who may have missed a run on a particular stock, or in this case, digital currency, a cryptocurrency. It may give you an opportunity to buy back at a lower price. And when you're trading, there's also something called retracements. When a stock or commodity or an asset particularly runs to gets to a particular point, it may retrace its steps, and one uses Fibonacci numbers to basically calculate those retracements. If that's something that you guys want to learn about, there are websites, YouTube channels, videos online that talk about Fibonacci retracements. So Bitcoin may retrace. Is it going to happen before it gets to 10,000? I don't know. It may have to once it hits 10,000. It remains to be seen. But we're at least expecting a 35 to 40% retracement. But for those of you who've been in Bitcoin, when we got in about $1,800 per coin, you're doing very well. Congratulations. You've more than doubled, and in some cases tripled your money if you have not gotten out. Now, one of our subscribers asked about PRELF, Hive blockchain, ticker symbol PRELF, and asked what if we had a target number on it. Well, as I mentioned in our last video, update video number 6, we did indicate our PLF position was sold. It was actually sold last week, Friday. There was a limit order put in for about $2.42, and that limit order was filled as of last week, Friday. We were looking to get back in, but literally the stock took off and actually got as high as of Friday, the 3rd. It got as high as $5 and I think 24 cents. So our thesis still remains the same with the stock, as Bitcoin and the whole crypto space gains in value. We anticipate Hive blockchain to do the same. Also. It may pull back when the cryptocurrency space pulls back, in particular Bitcoin. And it did actually pull back. I think it closed on Friday at $3.76. But remember, we got in the ending of September at $1.47. So we made roughly a double on our investment because we did buy on margin. So our initial investment, we actually doubled it, but percentage-wise return, we did not do a full double because of the margin, but we had a good return. We made a profit on that trade. So to answer that subscriber's inquiry, we did not necessarily have a price target. We figured as the crypto space keeps growing, that Hive blockchain and some, not all, some of the other cryptocurrency stocks may benefit. But I saw a lot of volume coming in to Hive blockchain. And if you check a couple of the other previous updates, I did talk about volume, what we saw with the volume. And as long as the volume keeps improving with that particular stock, and as long as the cryptocurrencies keep advancing, Hive blockchain will do well. It's correlating with Bitcoin for the most part. It may decouple at points, but for the most part, from what I see, they will correlate. It will correlate with Bitcoin. So if you see an entry point that makes sense for you as an investor, take advantage of it. I did not mention the disclaimer. I keep forgetting this thing. This is only for entertainment purposes. This is not an offer to buy or sell stock. If you are seeking advice, seek it from a professional. This is only for entertainment purposes. I talk about the things that I'm doing specifically in my own accounts to share with my clients, customers, and friends. But if you're interested in trading, there's lots of free information online that can teach you about trading and investing in the stock market, day trading, swing trading, and long-term investments. Again, this is only for entertainment purposes. And if you're seeking advice, seek it from a professional. Those of you who like what I'm doing and sharing, and like the fact that I'm sharing my information with you, then hey, keep listening, keep learning, and as I've said in so many of my seminars, duplicate success. In all the things that you do, duplicate success. So with that, uh, will we re-enter PRELF again? If it pulls back somewhere in the twos, I don't have a chart up this evening, but I may post what particular price in the twos we may re-enter the stock. It has pulled back aggressively before, and it may do so again. So it may give us an opportunity to jump back in, but let's see how it trades over the next few days. One of the other stocks we're still looking at, still, I have no particular target price on this particular stock because it's up over 300%, is NVIDIA, NVDA. Again, if you want more information about my thoughts, my thesis behind NVIDIA, please check some of the other videos that we've done. NVIDIA, I think, closed on Friday at $208, and we still see it going higher. As long as the crypto space keeps expanding, there will be more need for the miners to purchase, the miners to purchase graphics cards, and NVIDIA, being one of the largest manufacturers of graphics cards, will be a major beneficiary. So we anticipate that NVIDIA will keep going. So our position with NVIDIA is just stay long with the stock. There's nothing right now that says one should pull out or exit the stock. It's just going to keep running, in our opinion. Hey, it's tripled over a 1 year period, and it'll probably do that again for 2018. One can look at options if you cannot buy the stock outright. We also look at options. We trade options also, and we'll probably be looking at maybe about two or three strike prices out, and we're probably looking at the $220 or $230 calls. I may go out as far as December, if not December, January, for the $220, $230 call options. Again, we do anticipate that NVIDIA will just keep running. One of the other companies that we haven't taken a position yet, but we've been watching for the last 2 weeks, is STM, ST Micro Devices. STM is the ticker symbol, trading as of on Friday at about $24. If you guys remember, when we started looking at STM, we were looking at the initially at about $20 and some change. I actually was going to put a trade in on the options on Friday. We were looking to purchase the December $25 calls. I wanted to start off with maybe about 5 contracts and then expand it from there, because this is also a triple gainer over the last year. Literally, this stock was trading, folks, at about $7 per share. It's now over $24. So it's done more than a triple at this particular point, and we anticipate it's going to keep rising. There are a lot of newsletters, financial newsletters that have did a lot of research on STM. Its major push is in the Internet of Things space, IoT space, driverless cars and a variety of other things. And it's one of the major players in that space, and we anticipate that that stock will keep growing. So that's a stock that you guys can look at. I may take a position on Monday with the stock itself, and also possibly the options. So those are the ones that we're looking at. Those are the ones I feel confident in, that anyone participating should do well on them. And again, this is only for entertainment purposes. So if you're seeking advice, seek it from a professional. I'm only doing this from my account and to educate my clients, family, and friends, and show you guys what we're doing in our own portfolios and so forth. Now, again, those of you who may not have a lot of capital to work with, to get involved in the stock market, to buy real estate, start a business, to expand your business. As you know, through our company, Renewal International, and our division, Quick Cash for Businesses, we do help you guys raise to start, expand your business, or you want to use the 0% interest for 0% interest lines of credit anywhere from 12 months to a year. We can assist you in that process. For the most part, if you have a 680 credit score and better, get you anywhere between 10 to 150,000 without proof of income. Again, without proof of income, we can get you 10 to 150,000 in lines of credit that you can utilize to start your business, buy stocks, buy real estate. Literally, I was out with my sons today looking at property, and I didn't think about it till after the fact. I should have videotaped one of the deals we're looking at, just to show you guys the kind of numbers we're working with. And I'm going to do a couple of videos. I know I mentioned it before. I'm going to do a couple of videos on real estate utilizing business credit. Folks, I heard a real dire statistic recently. It was a Harvard and Princeton study that said the average American in the United States, more than on average, 78% of Americans in the United States are living paycheck to paycheck. 70%, 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. If you are currently living paycheck to paycheck, that means you most likely you don't have enough money to save, to invest, to buy real estate, to start your business. And if you're in that kind of position, outside of getting a job or finding some way to squeeze savings or put some form of savings together, your option right now is to qualify for business credit. And again, I'm going to repeat this again. Business credit without proof of income. It's not even stated. It's just no proof of income. All that's required is that you have a 680 score and better, and you have a corporation, and that corporation can be created the same day to qualify, and the same day that you register and fill out the application for the financing. If you need assistance with that, we can help you. Or we also have a program that if your credit is crap, if your credit is somewhere under 500, and we have clients in that space, if you join our program, become one of our clients, one of our members in our group, then we will help you fix your credit for free. You sign up for our services, and you can get, as a bonus, your credit fixed for free. It can't get better than that. And once your credit is fixed, then you duplicate success. You follow what other successful people are doing. You create a capital pool for yourself, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, and then you deploy that capital so that way you're making money on other people's money. See, right now, if you don't have enough saved, if you don't have enough in your savings account, your checking account, you don't have enough in your 401k or your IRA, well, utilizing business credit can assist you in that process. I'm trying to encourage everyone that's listening to this, share this video with someone you know and love, someone you respect. If they don't have the resources, but they want to change their life financially, they want to get on the road to financial freedom and success, then it behooves you to share this video with them, and you get on the on-ramp with us utilizing business credit, wherein that now you can access $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, 0% interest for at least 12 months. Literally, somebody's giving you money for free. And all you have to do is learn to turn that money over. And again, this is available for anyone. If you've got $500,000, $1 million in your 401k right now, you can still do this. If you barely got 2 nickels to scrape together, you can still do this because, again, no income check. Folks, this is the right time for many of you if you would like to change your life. If you've been frustrated, you've been bouncing against walls over the last 10, 20 years, 30 years, what have you. If you don't have enough money for your retirement, if you don't have enough money saved away or invested for your children's college fund, if you don't have enough money to take those vacations that you really want rather than a staycation, whatever the hell you call it, this is your time. This is your opportunity. There's so many things, so many opportunities out there that you can take advantage of in relationship to generating monthly, weekly cash flow that can change your life forever, literally. But you have to be the one to take the next step. You have to be the one that's ready to change your life. Folks, we can help you get on that on ramp utilizing business credit and get you onto the road to financial freedom and success. But again, you have to take that first step. Please, when you see our videos show up in your stream, share the videos with others. Please also subscribe, share, like our videos so we can kind of rise up in the rankings. Give us a thumbs up and press that notification bell so that way when I make a new video, you'll be notified. And let me know, comment, tell me if what I'm saying makes sense, if it's encouraging you to strive to do better. And if you have questions, you can reach out and I will try to respond to you in a timely fashion. You can also call my offices at 404-736-6067, 404-736-6067, and one of our competent will assist you in any need that you may have. Also, please, again, look at the videos. There's a lot of information, a lot of good points that you can learn about, and you can share with others. I'm repeating myself, but sometimes you might have to hear a thing more than once or twice for it to really resonate with you. We also have upcoming webinars and seminars. So please, if you're interested, you can go to our other website at quickcashforbusinesses.com. That's Quick Cash for Businesses, and businesses is plural. So quickcashforbusinesses.com. If you want our free ebook on business credit, you want to learn about business credit, enter your email address and your name, and you will receive one of our free ebooks on learning about business credit. Again, folks, like, share, subscribe, comment, and I look forward to seeing you financial success and freedom. You guys have a good evening.